it's filling in, but not filling in quite as fast as I want it to. So we're going to do something a little different today I've never tried, and see if it'll help it out. Right around the outskirts here, I took my Stinger plugger and just ripped it all to shreds. And then went back, took my blower and blew all of this to the inside right here. You can see a bunch of this is loose right here, and that's the part I'm looking for right there. See that little bit of root at that node right there? That's the part I'm wanting, because when I go over this with the aggravator, it's going to work that down into the ground and help it stick down in the ground like that. And once that happens, it should take. Now the trick to making this work, the school is going to have to keep this wet. If that dries out real bad, then it's probably a no-go. It's not going to work. Something else I'm going to do is, I think I've got a partial bag of Alpha Elite Bermuda seed, the GCI Alpha Elite Bermuda seed, and I think I'm just going to give it to them, donate it, and come out here, and once I aggravate it, then put the Bermuda seed right on top, and that'll help a little bit as well. And then over here on the sideline, you can see that is rock hard, dry as a bone. The irrigation just don't hit it. So I'm gonna put some of that seed on here too, and try and convince them to come out and hand water it or something. I don't know how to get water on that, other than they got to come out here daily and hose it down, or I don't know what's gonna happen here. They may have to resod this spot. But you can see a lot of these bare areas. Look at that. See there? That Bermuda is running like it's stolen something. Look at those right there. Those runners just running and filling in this bare ground. I've got about 2 more months worth of growing, roughly 60 days. So I think we're going to be in good shape. I think this is going to come on in by then. I got some fertilizer I'm going to put down and push it real hard again. And then I'll run to the shop, get the tractor, and we'll aggravate the entire field. We'll go over this spot a couple of times to really bust that up and work those runners down in the ground. And then I'll come back with my Alpha Elite grass seed, put it right on top. You see what the aggravator does? It just pulverizes it. I mean, that is absolutely absurd how loose that ground is. But look right here. See how some of this is kind of barely tacked it down in the ground right there? Now when they water and run the irrigation, that'll kind of help mat it down. And hopefully some of these sprigs and stuff like that will bite and take off and help fill some of this in even more, or not even more, but even well, more and faster. And I got to run over to the truck and get the Alpha Elite seed, and we'll come back and do this section right here, and then we'll turn the water on. Well, you know what this means. I'm gonna have to strip down at the office and go home naked, you know what I mean? I can't take no chance for this grass seed to get in my yard. Whew, that'd be devastating. All right, so again, it's just gonna have to rain to fill that in. Of course, the sprinklers hit right here. They cover this section pretty good. There's only 2 rows. There's 1 row right here and 1 row right there, and they do 360s. So this center section gets double the water as the outside. So yeah, it is what it is. I don't know who put the thing in, but I wouldn't have put it in that way, but you know, that is what it is. So we'll come back and check this out in about 21 days and see if, you know, this helps speed things up. Like I said, we're 60 days of growing season left, so still got a little bit of time, but this is a big area. This is a pretty good sized spot, so that's why I went ahead and semi-sprigged it and put some seed down as well, just to kind of speed the whole process up. But man, the rest of the field, these little strips right here like that, they're filling in really good, really fast. But the rest of the field, man, it's looking good. Got good color. That nitrogen I put down today, that ain't gonna do nothing but further the color and feed it some more so it can grow in, you know, pretty quick. This heat, oh my gosh, it's hot as, you know what I'm saying, it's hot. Man, it's super hot right now, and that Bermuda absolutely loves it. So we'll be back in 21 days or so. As always, every single time you watch a video of mine, I appreciate it. I really do. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later. Doggone it, I left the door open on the cab. Come on now, keep it cold in there, boy.